All right, with Google and Facebook. So Google Analytics, I think I've got working now, and I think that the only thing that I need for Google Analytics is the Google tag here. So that's already in the footer, I believe. Now there's a plugin called Analytify. Where is it? One second. Okay, so Analytify plugin at the so that's it there, the dashboard. If I come down, I get top Ajax errors, top JavaScript errors. And the Analytify Pro dashboard, I just don't need it anymore. I want to make the website as lightweight as possible, and Google Analytics is doing everything that I need to do. So the plan is to remove this Analytify plugin. The reason I haven't done it yet is because of there's just a couple of things here: top Ajax errors, top JavaScript errors. So they could be nothing. I just wanted to run this by you first. So yep, happy to remove Google Analytics from the website, apart from this tag here, which is in the footer, I believe, already. Then turn off this plugin and remove it. And then for the Facebook pixel, which is done via a plugin, yeah, I mean, it's just a pixel. I think we can probably get the Facebook pixel just via a adding an action into here. So rather than the plugin and then putting it into the footer, so that would be another job. So yeah, hopefully that answers your queries. And yes, we want to put things into the footer if we can. Thanks, Ray.